Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to this video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome slow downloading speed. So let's start the video. The first method is go to your Chrome browser here, and after that here search Chrome semicolon double slash and then type flex and enter. And here on the search button, just search parallel downloading. This is the option, and here just expand this option and select enable and select relaunch. And after relaunching the Chrome, your download speed will be fixed and it will increase. If this doesn't help you, the second method is right click on your start button and go to run, and here type ncpa.cpl and click OK. And then select the internet that you are connected to. Right click it here and go to properties. And here select Internet Protocol version 4. Double click it to open. And now select this option and also select this option. And here you have to give a IP. The IP is 1.1.1.1 and then 1.0.0 and 1. And then click OK and restart your PC and your problem will be fixed, and then the download speed will be faster. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.